Hello friends, today we will discuss another discussion essay and the topic is spending on international sports events such as Olympics. We will discuss arguments both for and against the issue and then give our opinion. Let's first examine the essay question. Some say that for any country hosting an international sports event such as the Olympic Games is costly, inefficient and is a waste of money, while others disagree. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Let's move on to the answer. In the first paragraph, we just paraphrase the question statement to state arguments of both sides and give an essay outline. So here it goes. The operating expenses suffered by any country hosting an international sports event such as the Olympics have been under fire since long. Even though there are individuals who believe that hosting such an affair is a matter of great pride for a nation and the issue needs to be looked at with a longer term perspective. Both arguments will be carefully analyzed before reasoned conclusion is found. Have a look at the vocabulary now. We have used operating expenses to demonstrate the viewpoint costly affairs. Even though is a contrast word expression. Longer term perspective is also a popular phrase used to express point of view with lasting effect. Now in the second paragraph we give arguments in support of the statement that international sports events incur a lot of expenditure on the state exchequer. It is argued that expenditure incurred by the host nation is huge and this money can rather be spent on development of the nation in various other productive fields. A recent study conducted by the Planning Commission shows that millions of dollars spent on various promotion events in Commonwealth Games of India, if saved, could have successfully funded a huge health project. Even the attention of the entire state machinery gets diverted in the direction of the event and all other important tasks take a back seat. It is therefore widely assumed that these international events result into unproductive expenditure on the state exchequer. Notice the vocabulary used. State machinery, which means government administration. Unproductive expenditure means worthless spending. So now we move on to the third paragraph. We give arguments against the statement. This will support our final opinion, so we make a point to elaborate more in this paragraph. However, productivity of these international sports events cannot be gauged using one-time profit-loss equation. The benefits of these events seem to be in the longer term and can only be perceived after taking into account the other factors such as boost in tourism and improvement of ties with the participating nations, which are a great support to the foreign policy of the country. This is evident in UK, which has seen an overall 40% rise in tourism after the Olympic Games that supported a great deal in the revenue yield thereafter. Moreover, these events encourage countrymen to participate in such constructive activities and inspire them to endeavor for the pride of the country. Furthermore, such events also provide a chance to improve sports infrastructure of the country. Have a look at the vocabulary. Gauged means measured. Endeavor means to make an effort. So finally, we move on to the conclusion paragraph. We conclude with our opinion and then restate the key points of the essay. After analyzing both sides, it is opined that long-term benefits of conducting international sports events in a country outweigh the interim concern of operating costs incurred. These events provide an opportunity for the nation to showcase its development, thereby attracting tourism, goodwill building in foreign relations, and motivation of the countrymen makes such events a lucrative phenomenon. In vocabulary, we can see interim, which is other word for short term. Showcase means display. Lucrative means worthwhile. Phenomenon means occurrence. Thanks for watching. If you like my essay, please click on the like button. Stay tuned for more such essays. Thank you.